In Nigeria we say thank you. In the United States we say thank you. In the United Kingdom we say thank you. In France we say merci. In Germany we say danke. In Italy we say grazie. In Spain we say gracias. In Portugal we say obrigado. In Brazil we say obrigado. In the Netherlands we say thank you. In Belgium we say thank you. In Switzerland we say danke. In Austria we say danke. In Sweden we say tack. In Norway we say tack. In Denmark we say tack. In Finland we say kiitos. In Poland we say dziękuję. In Czech Republic we say děkuji. In Hungary we say köszönöm. In Israel we say toda. In Saudi Arabia we say shukran. In Ethiopia we say shukran. In Egypt we say shukran. In Kenya we say asante. In Tanzania we say asante. In South Africa we say danke. In Ghana we say merase. In Ethiopia we say miseginayo. In India we say dhanyavad. In Pakistan we say shukriya. In Bangladesh we say dhanyavad. In China we say shiek. In Japan we say arigato. In South Korea we say 감사합니다. In Thailand we say khop khun. In Vietnam we say gaman. In Indonesia we say terima kasih. In the Philippines we say salamat. In Malaysia we say terima kasih. In Australia we say thank you. In New Zealand we say thank you. In Mexico we say gracias. In Argentina we say gracias. In Chile we say gracias. In Canada we say thank you. Different voices, different ways. Gratitude is what we say.